Let's replace the front shocks of this 2007 Toyota Matrix. It started to make some noise on rough surfaces, and when I checked it, the first thing that I noticed is the shock was leaking very bad, so definitely that's the culprit. But we'll also check if there's anything else that's wrong with it. Let's start by jacking up the car first. Okay, so I don't feel anything loose. So definitely it's the shock that's the reason for the noise. And just by the looks of it, definitely needs to be replaced. So we'll just remove these 2 bolts, remove this, and 3 bolts at the top, and that's it. Oh, there's one more here, so not difficult at all. Let's remove this first. This is 22mm sockets. That's it. And then we need to remove this stabilizer link. We will actually need the jack to release the tension, because I only jacked this side, so it's actually pushing against the other side, so I need to jack the bottom of the suspension. But if I jack both sides, that won't be a problem. Okay, so there. Pressure is gone, so we can take this out, push it out of the way, and then we'll remove this ABS line. Okay, the brake lines are separated already. So we need to go under the hood to remove the shock mounts. Okay, so that's it on this part. We'll go back down. Okay, we got the suspension out, and here is the replacement that I got. This is actually a CarQuest, which I got from a closing AutoZone, or I think Advanced Auto Parts. I just found it by accident. I just passed by, I saw that there's a big tarpaulin that says it's closing, so I tried to check whatever parts they have for a Toyota Matrix, and I got this for $7. So I got 2 of them for the other side too. Oh, there's a difference between the number of turns. The new one has a lot more turns than the other one, so I don't know what will be the difference on the stiffness of that, but we'll find out. But normally if you have less turns, then that might be more stiff than the ones with more turns, so but we'll find out. I'll put one bolt on the top first just to hold it. Okay, so doesn't fall. Okay, so I think the bolts were previously installed the wrong way because it wouldn't go in all the way that way. So let me put the nuts. Okay, I actually don't have a torque wrench, so I'll be just relying on the feel if it seems tight enough. I think that's tight enough. And then we'll put back the stabilizer link to align the hole to this. Jack it up again. Oops. Oops. So let's put this first. Okay, that's it. For the next video, we'll be probably working on the rear brakes of the car. So watch out for the next video. See you again next time. Ride safe, everyone.